What a really nice area back here, dude. This is really freaking nice. Oh, beautiful. Oh yeah, deer. Don't do that, Matt. There's deer. Oh, that looks fun to drive. I want to drive a bus. Maybe that's the next thing I'll get into. Maybe I'll get my CDLs and learn how to drive a bus for whatever reason. What is going on, guys? This is a fine, super fine day here in Southwest PA. This is just a regular, just a ride video. I just did a 25,000 mile review. It's oh, it smells so nice out. It's probably ruining the audio though. Yeah, so this is just a little recording video. Not much going on. Not much to say. I'm pretty excited for tomorrow. I'm gonna do a pretty big trip tomorrow. It's finally been like decent outside to go and do something, and by decent I mean it's not 500,000 degrees outside. It's been one miserable summer, and I'm not the only one saying that. Apparently, like, there's a lot of people who are saying it's just absolutely insane with it's not the heat, man, it's the humidity, because the humidity you can't sweat. So that's what really sucks about it. Have been enjoying the heavy rain. That's always fun to ride around in. I do gotta watch doing that now because my tires are on the bad side now. Riding regular is fine, but as far as like wet riding conditions is fine. It's torrential downpours that is kind of more of an issue that I'm more worried about. So that sucks, but I am going to get new tires. I'm going to order them probably tomorrow actually, and get them put on probably within the week, because they need done now. These tires have 9,000 miles on them, which is insane that they've already got 9,000 miles on them. Like, I swear I just got them. I can't remember exactly when I got them. I guess I could always scroll through my videos or whatnot, and I could figure that out. I want to say it was sometime, was it in October? That doesn't seem right. Maybe, I don't know. It seems like I kind of slowed down with riding a little bit. I say that, but I just did 2,000, or I just did 1,000 in 2 weeks. So it's really just the weather, man. But I know yesterday was nice. This whole week was pretty nice. It's supposed to be pretty nice for the next couple days. Tomorrow, like I said, I'm off, and I'm going to go to Lake Erie and possibly go to Lake Superior or something to see what happens. What a really nice area back here, dude. This is really freaking nice. Yes, sir. Very nice area. Let's see. What do I want to talk about? I just want to drive, man. I want to drive and enjoy the scenery and share it with you guys, because I feel that I owe you guys a lot, to be honest with you. Not that I owe you or anything, but I owe myself, because it's been a very weird couple months for me, to be honest with you. Let's go here. Oh, fresh oil and chips. Don't mind if I do. I could go for some chips, some good chipperunos. But yeah, it's been one of those things, man. And you know, I don't know. I guess I don't really want to talk too much about my personal life or whatever. But like, I don't know. It doesn't matter. Never mind. just kind of is what it is. But yeah, been in a major slump to the point where my doctor prescribed me like Zoloft or whatever, and I'm like very don't know if I'm going to take it or not, to be 100% honest with you, because I mean, I don't know, I did the whole diet, exercise, meditation, prayer, and prayer helps, 100% that helps. But you know, anxiety and depression is a very, very interesting thing, because it's not, oh, I'm just anxious, or oh, I'm just sad. It's an actual chemical, neurological issue. It's crazy, and I know where I got mine. And that I'm not going to talk about addiction or whatever, but I know where it came from. But yeah, dude, and like with like Zoloft and antidepressants, what they do is they allow serotonin to stay in your receptors longer, so you feel whatever from the serotonin or whatever, which is all well and good. It's very cool that they can do that and that happens and all that. But the problem with that is coming off of it, and that's the thing that I don't like. That's the problem that I don't like. And the other problem is, now granted, my doctor is great, I love him to death, he is a great doctor. You know, he doesn't just prescribe stuff, he really doesn't. But it was a little eyebrow raising for me to just very easily get this drug, and then I go to the pharmacy to pick it up and it's $2, and I have shitty insurance. So I'm like, it was easy to get, cheap, and everybody and their brother's on it. Is this worth it? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, some people could argue that that's a good thing because people need it. Sure, I get it, but you know, what happens if something happens and you can't get it? Whatever. And that's not me being paranoid, that's just me playing devil's advocate, being a very, you know, alert individual. Like, it's the kind of things that I think about. You know, I have a friend who's on a bunch of antipsychotics and lithium and all these other crazy shots, all these crazy drugs, and you know, he never wants to try and better himself, he just wants to stay dependent on those. And I just asked very simple questions. I said, so what would happen if those drugs get taken away from you? And the answer is not good. And it's like, I don't want to put myself in that position, you know what I mean? I just don't want to put myself in that position. But unfortunately, it's gotten to the point where, you know, even riding motorcycles helps, but it's not all that to me anymore. Maybe I just need another bike. I think that's the prescription I need. I need another bike. Let me get a refill on that one. But like, even just making this video, not this one, but the 25,000 mile review, dude, I was pulling teeth to do that. I'm like, why? It's so fucking simple. It's so simple. It's the simplest video next to this. Like, why am I dragging my feet? Like, why do I not care? That's the problem. I just don't care. But you know, I don't necessarily know what to do. I've tried everything on my own, and it doesn't really seem to be working. It helps, but it's not working kind of situation. So I don't know. I don't really know. I don't really know what to do. That's how long has this been recording? 8 minutes. Oh, dude, I got you for like another like 7 minutes or so. I got you guys for a minute. Oh, beautiful. Oh yeah, deer. Don't do that, Matt. There's deer. Look at the beautiful Pennsylvania. Enjoy that. You don't have to be a shenanigan. That's what's crazy. Like, I don't know if you like watched the 25,000 mile review, but my chicken strips are like this big. Like, it's crazy. I've done nothing on these tires, dude. It was just like, they were winter tires, so I'm not running crazy in the winter. And then I've pretty much just been commuting, and that's pretty much it. And whenever I do get out to do twisties and do like have a little bit more fun on the bike that's not commuting, it's this time of year where or it's that time of day where the deer are out, man. And yeah, I'm not trying to hit a deer. Like, that's not what I'm trying to do today. What I am trying to do today is possibly get some Denny's. Denny's sounds really nice. Yeah, Denny's sounds good. Denny's, I love you, Denny's. Denny's is so freaking good. Man, look how beautiful, dude. I love Pennsylvania, I do. It is a very pretty state. Parts of it, most of it, honestly, like, most of it's pretty. AC Ninja, I think he's out somewhere on the east side of PA. Beautiful, 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 dude. Very nice. PA is a badass state. It's kind of a pain in the ass with some stupid laws that we have, and taxes are ridiculous high, but our MSF course is free, so we got that going for us. I tell you what too, man, this tank bag has really helped me with my cornering too, because it's like an actual center of gravity, or not center of gravity, it's a place where I can put my body, and I know like where my body's at, you know, because this isn't a race bike. It's not what's this in the middle of the road? Uh-oh, change directory. That was a log. That could have been a bad situation. What is this? What is that? Nice. And you get stuff like that. But yeah, I don't know. It's like a center where my body physically touches it, and I know where I'm at on the bike, and I have been able to do some pretty crazy leaning. So I can't say my chicken strips are like this. Maybe they're like this. Which way do I want to go? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by his toe. If he hollers, let him go out, cause Y-O-U. Straight. Or no, straight got out. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by his toe. If he hollers, let him go out, cause Y-O-U. Okay, we'll go this way then. Uh-oh, third gear. What? I don't even know how to ride bikes. Unsubscribe from me. I don't know what's going on. Oh, I should have went this way. I know where I'm at now. That was anticlimactic. Is this recording? Hot damn. 12 minutes. I got you for 3 more minutes. I don't remember what he said. It was like, I don't remember what that was from. Rocky? No, I don't think it was from Rocky. How about Hulk Hogan died? That's a bummer. Then Ozzy Osbourne died. No one's seen that one coming. That was pretty wild. I wasn't a huge Ozzy Osbourne fan. Not that I didn't like him. I just, I don't know. I just didn't really care for the music all that much. It's not bad music, just, you know, is what it is. Yep, everybody dies. Some will be missed more than others, but everybody will be forgotten. Kind of. You still got, like, you know, other people that have like been dead for a very long time who are not forgotten, but eventually they will be forgotten, which is a nice thought, to be honest with you. I think it's a nice thought. Like, I don't know. Oh, that looks fun to drive. I want to drive a bus. Maybe that's the next thing I'll get into. Maybe I'll get my CDLs and learn how to drive a bus for whatever reason. Yeah, like I can just like put my body on that tank and just like really get over on the bike. It feels more natural. Like, that's another reason why I don't want to get a super sport, because if I get a super sport, man, bad things are going to happen. I can already see it. Speaking of bad things, and all that stuff. I'm surprised you guys wanted to see this video is gonna piss you off deal. There's quite a lot of votes for that video. So I do gotta get that one out to you soon. Maybe, well, it's definitely gonna be after this, because I talked about it, then it wouldn't make any sense. Oh man, what a beautiful day. But I think this is where I'm gonna end the video, guys. Thanks for listening. If you made it this far, I really appreciate your time. Time is not something that you can just get back, so I appreciate you spending this time with me. If you want to, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It just helps me be able to do more fun stuff. That's a nice paved road. Yes, sir, it is. Oh no, don't hit me. I actually didn't even see him. Which, that's not good. But what was I saying? Oh yes, I was thanking you guys for your time, and then I was asking you to subscribe like a jackass. Wow, what a nice road. Look at that. Doesn't look fun. Maybe I should just keep you on for another second or two until we run down this road, because this road's not very long. I know where I'm at here. What do I gotta do? Oh, I gotta go home right away, and I have to start editing these videos, because tomorrow I don't want no responsibility. I don't even know if I want to record tomorrow. I kind of want to just like enjoy it as much as I possibly can. 25,941 miles. They add up quick, guys. But yeah, I guess I'll jump off here now. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this content and you would like to see more of it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see. Again, about the full red videos, I'm going to get back to them as soon as I can. I enjoy making them. It is a lot more work, but I do enjoy them, and I believe that you guys enjoy them too, or a decent amount of you guys. So I will work on that for you guys. So as always, I will see you in the next one.